Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to go through the all new D5 XTOOL D5s. I'm just going to show you a basic function of how you can reset the service on this Audi A1. So as you can see on the screen, I mean, you can do it manually as well, but I'm just going to show you how you can do it on the tool itself. So you'd go into special functions, and then it is where sometimes you... Where is it? Oh, there it is. Maintenance light reset. And then we'll pick the vehicle. Let's see if we can find it. There it is, Audi. Okay. Auto detection. Okay. All reset. Auto setting. We'll do the minor. Art. That. Now let's just see if it has done it. Nope. So it's got to be the major one. So I should have hit that other one, but it's fine. So it shouldn't come on really anymore, but it's the major one that we had to select. Everything good, but yeah, I'd stick with that one rather than that one. But that's how you would do it if you're using this XTOOL. There are other functions as well that you can use. I'll just go through it. So as you can see, ABS bleeding, EGR relay and battery, electronic parking brake, steering angle sensor, DPF regens, suspension gearbox. That's the main thing. Injector coding, good stuff. Window initialization, tire, throttle, crank. You've got everything there, to be fair. Good tool. Yeah, they're around about 140-ish quid, 150 quid-ish. But you can't go wrong, to be fair. It has a lot of functions.